Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MSAL and iOS Swift apps, complete guide step by step. To begin, ensure you have an Azure Active Directory tenant set up. Create a new app registration in the Azure portal for your iOS app. Make note of your application's client ID and tenant ID. In the app registration, configure the redirect URI to match your iOS app's URL scheme. Integrate the MSAL library into your Xcode project. You can do this by adding the MSAL CocoaPods dependency in your pod file. Run pod install to install the MSAL library. Next, configure your app's info.plist with the required URL scheme for MSAL. Add the client ID and tenant ID to your app's configuration. Create a new Swift file for authentication logic. Import the MSAL framework into your Swift file. Initialize a MSAL public client application instance using your client ID and authority. Create a function to handle the sign-in process. In this function, define the desired scopes for authentication. Use MSAL interactive token parameters to define the parameters for the token request. Call the acquire token method to initiate the sign-in process. Handle the token result in a completion handler. If successful, you will receive an access token. Store the access token securely in the app's keychain. Implement a function to handle sign-out logic. Use the MSAL public client application instance to revoke the user session. Make sure to handle error cases throughout your authentication flow. Test the authentication flow by running your iOS app on a simulator or a physical device. Verify the sign-in and sign-out functionalities work as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. Once complete, your iOS app should now handle authentication using MSAL effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.